Good morning to all. I am Mariammal, working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science in Karpam College of Engineering. Today we are discussing about the subject operating system. The topic to be discussed: introduction to operating system and computer system organization and computer system operation and storage structure. First one, introduction to operating system. First one, operating system means operating system is a programming that acts as an intermediate between a user of computer and computer hardware. The purpose of an operating system is to provide an entertainment in which a user can execute program. The primary goal of operating system is computer system convenient to use. The secondary goal of operating system is computer hardware in an efficient manner. The next one, see the images, the example of operating system. First one, Apple, Mac OS and Ubuntu, Linux and Microsoft and Windows Server. These are the example of operating systems. The next one, OS, operating system goals. First one, control and execute an application program. Second point, make the computer system convenient to use. Third point, easy to the solving of user problem. Last point, use the computer hardware in an efficient manner. These are the operating system goals. The next one, introduction to operating system. An operating system is the set of program that control a computer. Some example of operating system are Unix, Mac and MS-DOS and MS Windows and OS and Mac OS. The operating system is an important part of almost every computer system. A computer system can be divided into four components. First one, hardware, operating system, application program and user. The next one, component of a computer system. First one, computer hardware, operating system and system and application program. Next one, user. These are the diagram of the computer component of the computer component systems. The next one, operating system component. First one, hardware. Hardware means central processing unit, the memory and input devices provide the basic computing resources for the system. The next one, application program. Application program means word processor and spreadsheet and compiler and web browser. These are the example of application program. The next one, operating system. Operating system means hardware and coordinate it is used among the various application program for the various user. The next, user view of the operating system. The user view of the operating system means various according the interface being used. Most computer user sit in a front of PC. PC means personal computer consisting of a monitor, keyboard, mouse and system unit. Such a system is designed for one user to monopolize its resources. The goal is to maximize the work or play that the user is performing. The operating system is designed mostly for easy to the use of user. The next one, resource utilization. How various hardware and software resources are shared. The next one, the user sit at terminal connected to mainframe or a mini computer. The next one, user sits at workstation connected to network of other workstation and server. The next topic, system view of the operating system. The system view of the operating system, computer point of view. The operating system is the program most intimately involved with the hardware. In this context, we can view an operating system as a resource allocator. A computer system has many resources that may be required to solve a problem. CPU time, memory space and file system space and I/O devices and so on. The operating system acts as the manager of these resources. A control program manages the execution of user program to prevent error and improper use of the computer. It is especially concerned with the operation and control of the I/O system. The next one, computer system organization. Computer system organization means computer system operations. First one or more CPU device controller connect through the common bus, providing the access to shared memory. See the images. First one, the bottom of the images, connected memory. The next one, CPU, disk controller, and USB controller, and graphics adapter, connected to the memory in the common bus. The example of the disk controller, disk, and USB controller of the USB controller, example means mouse, keyboard, printer. Graphical adapter means monitor. Computer to start running, for instance, when it is powered off or reboot, it need to have an initial program to run. This is initial program means bootstrap program. The next one, stored with a computer hardware in read-only memory. Read-only memory means ROM, or electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, WPROM memory, known as general term firmware. The next one, bootstrap program must know how to load the operating system and how to start executing that system. Bootstrap program must locate the operating system kernel and load it into memory. Once the kernel is loaded and executing, it can start providing services to the system and its user. The occurrence of the event is usually signaled by an interrupt from the either hardware or software. Hardware may trigger an interrupt at any time by sending a signal to the CPU, usually by way of the system bus. Software may trigger an interrupt by executing a special operation called a system call, also called a monitor call. Next one, storage structure. The CPU can load instruction only from memory, so any program to run must be stored in the storage system. Central purpose of computer run most of their program from pre-writable memory called main memory, also called as random access memory, RAM. Main memory commonly is implemented in a semiconductor technology called dynamic random access memory, DRAM. All form of memory provide an array of bytes. Each byte has been own address. Intersection is achieved through the sequence of load or store instruction specific memory addresses. The load instruction moves a byte or word from main memory to one internal register with the CPU. Store instruction moves the content of the register to main memory. Instruction register fetches on instruction from main memory and storage that instruction in the internal register. The first point, main memory is usually too small to store all needed program and data permanently. The second point, main memory is volatile storage device that loses its content when power it is turned off or otherwise lost. Thus, most computer systems provide secondary storage as an extension of main memory. The main memory requirements for secondary storage is that to be able to hold large quantity of data permanently. The next secondary memory example of magnetic disk, which provides storage for both program and data. Most program, system and application are stored in a disk until they are loaded into main memory. The secondary memory purpose of unwanted data to be stored in computer to be avoided. The next one, storage system organized in hierarchy, speed, cost and volatility. Copying information into faster storage system. Main memory can be viewed as a cache for secondary storage. Device driver, for each device controller to manage I/O, provides uniform interface between controller and kernel. Thank you to all.